How to get legendaries fast in Pokemon Go. I'm going to tell you how to get legendaries fast in Pokemon Go. First, make sure you're keeping an eye on legendary raids. These are the best and most reliable way to catch legendaries. Next, participate in special events like community days or themed events, which often features increased chances of encountering legendaries. Another pro tip, complete research tasks. Some special research lines reward you with legendary encounter or exclusive raid passes. And don't forget to use premium battle passes for better raid access. And make sure you're checking the Pokemon Go calendar for upcoming legendary raids or rotation. Finally, team up with friends. Not only does this make raid easier, but you can also trade legendaries with others, potentially getting one faster.